I come over, I lift this up, and this is what's gonna happen. For this first prank, of course, we're gonna be needing a cup, and this is a styrofoam cup. So these are gonna be coming in very, very handy for this video. Then I have a little cutting board here just to throw off your victim, and our main helper will be some plastic wrap. So here's what we're gonna do first, guys. We're gonna take a cup, a regular cup like this one, and we're gonna fill it up with any liquid of our choice. And right here I have some Kool-Aid, and I'm gonna fill it up. You guys don't necessarily have to fill it up all the way, depending on how much mess you guys wanna make. This is good enough for me, because I really don't wanna clean up all this mess. Because most of these pranks are gonna be, actually all of these pranks are gonna be very, very messy. And if you're using Kool-Aid like I am, the floor and the counter is gonna get sticky. So we do wanna avoid all that. But for demonstration purposes, I will be using this. Now that we have our Kool-Aid inside our cup, we're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap. So cut it and place it over the cup like so. Just like this, guys. All right, now that we have it covered with the plastic wrap, we're gonna flip it over on top of the cutting board. Now, you don't necessarily have to use the cutting board, but for me, it's better because it'll throw off the victim. So let me show you why I'll need the cutting board. We're gonna take the cup and flip it over. And then just lay it on the cutting board, like so. And then you're gonna open up the plastic. And yes, there will be a little bit of that Kool-Aid coming out, but that's fine. With some paper towels, we're just gonna try to dry it up, like so. Once we got most of it, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a blade and cut around the plastic. So we're gonna try to remove as much plastic as we can. Look how simple that is. Check it out, guys, the prank is set. We got the cup filled with Kool-Aid, but not all the way, just about half of it actually. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does contain that Kool-Aid. Now, when somebody comes over, let's say they see this cup, what is this cup doing here? You know, I'm gonna remove it. It doesn't look right where it's at. When they lift it up, well, all the contents inside are gonna spill out. And what I like about the cutting board is that it helps hide the little pieces of plastic that kind of surround the edge of the bottom of the cup. So now, let's see this in action, guys. I come over, I lift this up, and this is what's gonna happen. See, there's the plastic that was helping us out. But yep, guys, these are the results. These are not fun to clean up, so whoever falls for this prank is definitely has to take out the rags, take out the paper towels, and start cleaning up.